Welcome to 37 Gin Beach Drive. We are on Georgian Bay in the township of the Archipelago in the Skerryvore community. This listing has 3 bedrooms and I'm going to take you on a little tour today. This is the open concept living room. Nice working fireplace here to enjoy on some nice cool evenings, or even something today with a little bit of rain going on. And if we go here into the kitchen, it's a nice open concept, nice island here, and just wanted to point out to you that the appliances all included with this listing are under 5 years old, and they are high efficiency. So that's nice that those are included for you to use. We have a screened-in porch here. We also have a bunkie that I'm going to show you later with another screened-in porch without the windows. So you have a little bit of the best of both worlds here. On the main floor, a little bit further up, we have 2 bedrooms. Master bedroom over here. Full bathroom, recently renovated as well. And also we have a second bedroom here with built-in bookcases. So for you avid readers who love to come to the cottage, lots of space for your books. This is a year-round cottage, and they use it now as a year-round home. There is about 25 people that are in the Skerryvore community that do live here year-round. There are approximately 6 to 10 people that actually travel from here to Parry Sound every day. So it's not a bad place to live, and if you wanted something year-round to live and use as a cottage as well. This is a closer look at the master bedroom. It is approximately 10 by 12 feet. Has access to a deck, which is adjoined by the 3rd bedroom. We have vaulted ceilings in this room and a double closet. So taking you now from the open concept here, kitchen and living room, we move into the dining room. They've made this area into a sitting room as well, but it can also be used as a full dining room if you required more space. On a beautiful day, you have lovely views of Georgian Bay while you're enjoying your meal. Access from here goes downstairs into a rec room, which I'll take you to see as well. And there's another bedroom here that they have made into a hobby room, but can easily be made into a guest bedroom if needed. Laundry here in this area, as well as access to a bathroom. From here you have decks going all the way across to the master bedroom. This is the view of your yard. You have a woodshed. That would be an outhouse there. And a few more sheds. Nice private view, beautiful trees. Now, for those of you who are into kitchen design, I just want to point out the cupboards in the island have the slide out so you can get full access of all the space. Custom doors. Covered porch. Access is here, the main door. Flagstone floor here. This family room is used right now for an office, also with access to another deck, a rocking chair, and the backyard. Another working fireplace here to enjoy. Now we get into the storage utilized here in the basement area. Aquatech is the water system that they have in place, as well as a carrier furnace. Here we are outside, looking at a view of the woodshed. That is an outhouse. Above the septic bed is approximately the only spot that you'll have to mow. The rest of the landscape is trees and flowers and pathways and a blueberry patch. That's your bunkie over there. And I just wanted to point out that underneath the deck here, they have used this space for some garden tools and some extra storage. There is an awning here on the front, as well as the back for shade, when you're looking for shade to be on either the front or the back of the home. Some lady slippers and the blueberry patch that's going to be blooming soon. This is your view here. We'll get down to the water. Small toilet there. One room, vaulted ceilings. Right out into the screened porch. Starting with the bunkie, you have a two-tiered deck, fire pit there, going to a little sand beach. And this is the view that you have of your home or cottage, right here on Georgian Bay. Also, this is some rock. If you prefer, you've got a little bit of both. It is approximately 4 to 5 feet at the end of this dock for your boat, but there is room to do another 10 feet of dock if that's needed for a larger boat. On a beautiful day, this is the view you don't want to miss out on from your beautiful deck. Comes with an awning as well, so for those of you that like to be outside and take in the view, but you need a little shade, we've got that too. So there's your tour of 37 Gin Beach Drive. If you want some more information, please do visit my website, or you can give me a call at 705-746-9336. Or you can call my cell. If you're in the Toronto area, it's toll free 416-414-4487. Thanks.